Okay, good afternoon, guys. How are you? Okay, you able to hear me? Fine, no issues. This is something. Just give me 1 second. Okay, so hey, late आ गया. Yeah, I totally right. Second half में आने के लिए. So I will think about it, right? So yes, that was a huge fall of how many points today, man? Bank Nifty में we had a fall of 800 plus points, 850 points of fall, and or we have another 2 hours to go, 2.5 hours to close the trade. So or we do not know how much it will fall again. So let's see. Um, okay, let's get into 15-minute time frame and so probably it is going to go down still more. No red candle, no green candle, sorry, no green candle except this, but that was like profit booking for the sellers there. So abhi, let's look at the support, guys. Let's look at the support where we can actually trade. So the crucial support that I was talking about is 33,000. So that itself is broken, completely broken. Okay. So the next support can be around, I would say there is no strong support at all, man. No strong support. No strong support. Uh, Mostly somewhere 30 to 655 tak. Maybe around this zone. You might see some kind of, but be cautious now. I don't tell you ఇప్పుడైతే తీసుకోమని చెప్పట్లేదు, but I would say be cautious when you take it now because it has fallen so much and it is still falling, by the way, still falling, and there is no support at all. The support is only at 30 to 500 now. और नीचे गिरेगा. Still waiting, guys. Don't try anything now. Let's wait. My goodness, 841. और कितना गिरेगा भाई, कितना गिरेगा? My goodness. Good afternoon, SP. Thanks for joining. Welcome. Welcome to the stream, guys. Thanks for joining. So, Indigo 170 view. अभी तो छोड़ दो भाई. Don't try anything new now. ये तो अभी तो छोड़ दो, छोड़ दो. So Indigo छोड़ दो अभी. Fresh entry मत लो. Don't take any fresh entries on the put side now. Avoid. इतना गिरा, पता नहीं कब short covering आएगा बोल के. But let's not be too bearish on that. So Indigo has a support here around this zone. So I would say if you are taking an entry now, you are not getting too many points. So wait for it. If there is a breakout or a breakdown below this, you take an entry and then go. Remember, right? So AB or गिरा भाई. All right, all right. So 761. So somewhere around 750, almost 1,000 points, man. 1,000 points from day's high. It is 1,000 points of rally from day's high to day's low. 1,024 points. Huge, huge fall, huge fall. Now, have you ever thought after a gap up of somewhere around 200 points, it has fallen by 1,000 points? Uh, 720. So probably what was the lowest in recent days? 1 week में देखिए. What was the lowest? This was the lowest. 30,500 is the lowest. That's the only thing. But the important level is around here again. 33 650 for 650 zone is the important level for us now. If that is broken, then it is going to be a bloodbath. So look at this. Such a huge fall. 745, 650. I think it will even touch that. So if I actually go back to 1 day time frame, I'll tell you. Let me clear this. Okay. 1 day time frame. I think I explained this last time as well in Nifty and BankNifty dono mein. I think I did that. Okay. So if you actually get into a 1 day time frame here. Okay. Look at this. So I think I actually explained this last time as well. When you actually go back to the Nifty analysis and Bank Nifty analysis, I explained this. And also I drew a this, something like this. And I said, okay, so if it is actually trying to go up, okay, if it is trying to go up, then it will be this trend line, okay, and if it is taking a rejection from here, and it will be a inverse cup and handle बोल के बोला मैं. I told you this, guys. So now go back. I think it was about it was on 9th or somewhere around this time. I explained this in Nifty analysis, Nifty Bank Nifty analysis, and said if this is forming a cup and handle pattern, it is going to be a bloodbath. So most probably we might see some more fall. पता नहीं कब रुकेगा. 15,399. How many points it is down by? 863 to 393. Somewhere around 600 points in Nifty alone, man. 600 points. It's a huge fall. I'm not expecting any reversal for now. Let's see. I don't think anything great is going to happen now, because it completely now. Moreover, this is the situation where 1:30, 2 o'clock, FIS will come and sell more, I guess. You may not get an opportunity at all completely. पता नहीं मिलेगा या नहीं. Opportunity तो नहीं मिलेगा शायद. Okay, so ये तो हो गया. Polo tires देखता हूँ. Give me 1 minute, guys. I was actually checking this. Oh God, this is broken. This support is broken. Okay. Let's see. Hope for the best for tomorrow. I don't think there is anything else that we can do now. 674, man. Let's see, where was that? Yep, done. 655, almost done, I guess. ये तो हो गया. This target is also done. Gone, man. That is done. No other target to hold. That is completely done. Zubi Foods, good afternoon, Zubi. Taken TVS Motor 7. Abhi put side mat beto bhai. It has already fallen. See, I'm telling you, be careful. See, it has already fallen. So let's not take that decision now. Let's not take that decision. Just because the market is falling, don't take that decision. So it can be, but TVS Motor swing side is bullish. I'm telling you, आज तो नीचे गिरा, but it is swing के लिए it is bullish. I am not bearish in TVS Motor now, at least, because it is somewhere at the support. If this breaks on the upper side, ऊपर ही जाएगा. Okay. Moreover, look at this. I think you see something similar to head and shoulder pattern here. You see something similar to this. Okay. So let's not take a risky one. If you are taking it in intraday, if you are in profit, book your profits, exit. Tomorrow, if it opens a gap down, then it can be a reversal. Then it can be a reversal from here. Then you can easily take a put option, hold for this target. Okay, that you can do. Okay. That is possible. Now, look at this, man. 200 points of reversal immediately. But I don't think, premiums will only melt. Nothing will happen. it is only pure फंसाने के लिए आएगा शायद. I don't see any unexpected huge and continuous fall. वो तो है भाई. That's there. I was expecting some more fall in Tata Chemicals, but we had positions in Tata Chemicals, but exited early शायद. We exited early. Tata Chemicals में. What was the high? So that was very bad. See, look at this. This is why it is. So though it gives you sudden movement, but it is not like a reversal at all. Completely. So wait for some price action. We'll see. See something like reversal, and for example, let's see. If you see something like this, for example, something like this, then it is a kind of a reversal pattern, or can be anything, whatever it is. Okay, otherwise it is not a reversal at all. So if it is actually breaking the low of today again, then you will see some more fall. और दूसरा fall मिलेगा इसमें. पता नहीं. So how futures are doing? I think we still have some more time, right? So let's see कल के लिए कुछ क्या करेंगे. What is actually doing good this? Even when the market is falling, if you actually look at something like Britannia is doing good or what? No, it is not. Let's look at major indices. HDFC. How is it doing? So I'm trying to find out, even in such a fall, what is the stock which is doing good? Okay. What is the stock which is really doing good? No stock. I don't see anything, man. No stock is really doing good. Most of them are down. There is something called Crompton has actually done good today. Crompton. Okay. Look at this. Today, Crompton is the only thing that has done good. You might ask me, this is a sideways momentum, right, Volke? But yeah, that's a sideways momentum, I know. That is the only maximum fall that we have seen these days. Okay. That's the maximum, sideways momentum in a stock. But rest of the stocks are completely down. Completely down. Like, let's say, for example, Coforge. Look at this, down. And Sun TV. AB down hai. Look at this. And दूसरा वाला Hind Petro. Okay, then, my goodness. Look. Now, अभी तो short covering आया है Hind Petro में. Okay. कुछ recovery हो रहा क्या इसमें? Yeah. But देखेंगे, only after the price action there can be a short covering now. Let there be a price action. Until then, there is no entry here. Okay, you can't take an entry until there is no price action. ITC क्या हुआ? ITC क्या हुआ भाई? Hind Petro is superb rally, man, recovering after the huge fall. ITC क्या हुआ? ITC तो नीचे गिरा ना. Darshan, what happened to ITC? Please do like, guys. Please like the stream. It is still there, man. I don't think it is a good one to hold. What I saw in the morning, there was what is this I've got? Second. Let's check Dr. Reddy's, man. If this is breaking on the upper side, Dr. Reddy's may we might get a movement because it wasn't a strong fall at all. So that's completely fine. Okay, so now look at this. Now this is actually taking a reversal here, right? It should not break the low of today. If it is breaking low of today, then it is not a reversal. It is going to be further bloodbath. It is going to fall more. Not much fall in ITC. It is fallen, I guess, right? Yeah, इसमें. It has fallen, man. I don't see. ITC has also fallen. Such a man. You should also look at this. It has fallen by 3%. You call it as no fall? 3%. Normal, see, regular days it was actually falling by 2% or so. Now it is 3%. So I don't think it is staying there. Most of the times it is sideways there. So if you actually look at here, it has fallen by only, or the movement of 0.84, something like this. But yeah, 3% is still fine. Still a fall, I would say. Okay. సో డాక్టర్ రెడ్డిస్ కొద్దిగా ఇది పైకి వెళ్ళిన తర్వాత ఒకవేళ ఇప్పుడు చూడండి ఇది బ్రేక్ అయింది అనుకోండి, దెన్ యూ కెన్ టేక్ ఎన్ ఎంట్రీ ఇన్ డాక్టర్ రెడ్డిస్. ఓకే, ఓకే. సో कहाँ क्या कर रहे भाई? This is, there is no support at all. Completely the support, entire support is gone in bank nifty, man. And unless if there is a short covering, there is no resurrection for nifty and bank nifty today. No resurrection at all. Completely gone. Completely gone. Okay, so hopefully if it is taking a reversal, then you might see some short covering. Otherwise no short covering. I don't think FIIs have come in yet. If FIIs are coming, if FIIs are coming in, then you will see further fall. Let's see. Unless DIIs are buying more. If DIIs come in and buy more, then it's a different case. बट अभी तो पूरा ट्रेंड तो नीचे दिख रहा है. I don't see any opportunity for us to buy anything. You can actually invest in stocks if someone wants to, but where is this? Okay, 1 hour more, just 1 hour, last 1.5 hour. But yeah, this is an expiry after 2 o'clock, 2:30. You will have only premium decays, complete premium decay, nothing to hold. Okay, so it has to break this high. It has to break this high and sustain, and then probably you might see. Otherwise, it is not a reversal at all. Look at this, exactly touched this 30 to 655 range, exactly touched this zone and took a support. For now, at least, I mean, this can be broken, but let's see. Okay. Nifty is also same. Let's see, 600 points in Nifty is huge, you know. Right. Please do like and subscribe. Okay, the at the money option can be tried if it is actually closing above this. Okay. This particular zone, this kind of trade will only melt the premiums. So above this, see above this particular zone, once this candle closes, probably what you can try is take a call option at the money, maybe 30 to 900 wala. You can try 30 to 900 or so. Then go with the hero zero option. Don't try. I mean, if you cannot take that risk, 60 rupees of or 60 points of risk, avoid trading. And the next trade on the put side will be only below 30 to 655. ఇసుక నీచే బిలో దిస్, దీని కింద మనం ట్రేడ్ చేయొచ్చు. ఓకే, దీని కింద 30 to 65 55 కింద మనం పుట్ సైడ్ ప్లే చేయొచ్చు. అదర్వైజ్ అంటిల్ దెన్ ఇట్ ఈస్ సైడ్ వేస్, మోస్ట్లీ సైడ్ వేస్. Let us see our stocks are doing now. Any recovery in banking sector? No recoveries, man. HDFC Bank, no. Kotak Bank, and then SBNB देखेंगे. Is it at least performing good? ये भी down था. हाँ. And X Bank. Yeah. No recoveries. No recoveries. I don't think Bank Nifty or Nifty will recover now. I don't think. ये तो नीचे जाने के लिए कोशिश कर रहा mostly. Please do like the stream, guys. Please do like. What stocks we have for tomorrow? All of them are on the downside, man. Completely down. I think if there is an opportunity for us to actually look at live data of FIS and DIS, it would be good. Live data of FIS and DI is actually good, but we don't have that live data. That's the biggest drawback that we have. FIS DIS data live లో అసలు ఎలా మారుతుంది అనేది తెలిస్తే I think we can take very good trade most of the times, especially when there is a huge selling from FIS. ఉంటే మాత్రం భలే ఉంటుండే. See, it's only here. It's only between these, how many points? 80 points. Between 80 points. Okay. Shall we look at auto sectors? Maruti, okay, it's actually taking a reversal from the support. From the support zone, that's a good one. Maruti. Bajaj Auto भी देखेंगे. Bajaj Auto छोड़ दो. I think it is completely down. छोड़ दो now. It's exactly at the support. Exactly at the support zone. Yeah. Around the support zone in Bajaj Auto. Oh, sorry. I was looking at Indigo. There is. Okay, Indigo B supports से ऊपर जा रहा शायद. Yep. Indigo. Who was that? I think SP. If you are holding it, probably I said you keep a stop loss here somewhere here 65. You can actually exit in Indigo. Okay. Aniket bhai, investing firms में spy लगा. बड़े बड़े लोग हैं भाई. They aren't able to do anything. हम क्या कर सकते हैं? सपोर्ट से सी इंडिगो में सपोर्ट से रिवर्स ले रहा, सो प्लीज अवॉइड टेकिंग पुट ऑप्शंस हियर इंडिगो में. ओके. Okay, good. You exited. Nice. What is that? I wanted to check something else. Um, Sensex has fallen by more than 750. Nifty has fallen by 250 points. Huge. चलो देखते. There is nothing now. There is nothing now. I think it will only expire between these two now. This will be the expiry zone, shayad. So basically, Nifty has fallen by somewhere around 22% from its all-time high. Bank Nifty has fallen by somewhere around 17.5% from all-time high. So, which is like, my goodness, pata nahi. I don't know. Probably, I think we will expect some more fall. What was the fall in 2019? So the low of Bank Nifty in 2019 was 1920, which is like, Corona time, 16,226. Okay, which is like almost, it has jumped by 2x, which is like, 50% or 100% jump, right? So probably if this kind of selling continues, if this continues like this, हो सकता है कि we can even test that zone, test this trend line zone at the bottom. This can even come down here. If you see the similar kind of inflation, similar kind of repo rates being increased, so can't help much. Okay. Okay. So देखेंगे भाई. No BTSTs. No BTSTs today also no BTSTs. No BTST, no hero zero call, nothing, guys. It's not actually doing good. और गिरावट शायद. It is still falling. So all of you close your positions, guys. If there is nothing that we can do today. It's only fall. Complete fall. Today's day is long day. I know. Very long day. See, the important factor is that the major fall has already come before 12 o'clock. Major fall. The major fall that you see is only before 12 o'clock already. And whatever the next 50% of the fall that you see here is only within, after 12 and before 1:30, which is like 1.5 hours, something like, 1:30. So within 2.5 to 3 hours, take out this 1 hour, okay, 2.5 to 3 hours, there was a fall of 1,000 plus points in Nifty, sorry, Bank Nifty. Look at the kind of, people have this kind of fear of inflation. It could be, Fed meeting ka effect hoga kabhi kabhi. So it can be of, the cases increasing around. So multiple factors now. And I haven't seen any big news for the fall except for the Fed meeting. Except for the Fed meeting, I don't see any other big fall or big news. But I don't think it's a news for 1,000 points of fall. I don't know why it has to fall so many points. Now, if you actually look at this, each candle now it is actually making big moves, but it will only melt the premiums. Look at each of the candles. Look at this, making 128 points of move. One particular candle, and another small. Even if you look at the smaller candle, it is making 60 points of move. So now it is near to the expiry hour. So अभी तो volatility तो चलेगा अभी. Most probably it has to at least one short covering. I am expecting one short covering now after a huge fall. One short covering, probably around 200 points of short covering, something like at least up to 33,000. At least 33,000 tak. I mean, see, it is not always good. It is not always good for the market to fall like this completely, a free fall of 1,012 points, which used to happen previously. Okay. But that is not something we want to have. There has to be some recovery. DIA should be coming in, FIA should be buying, something like this. So at least 300, 400 points of recovery is good to have. If there is no recovery of the chart, then there is no hope for the market for next few days. It is going to be completely bearish market, similar to Corona time. Okay, global markets, all YouTubers are expecting gap up opening and closing of 1 plus. मैं कल ही बोला, I told you guys yesterday itself, do not take any BTST positions बोल के कल ही बोला मैं. BTST positions are turning out to be very, very risky these days, because sometimes you see a huge movement on the upside, next day suddenly it falls, and one day it goes up by 300-400 points, next day it is down by 500-600 points. So these days the market is unpredictable. It is unpredictable most of the times. Now you see this going up, coming down, going up, coming down. This is the premium melting game. It will melt all the 50 points of premium will come down to 5 rupees now, and then after that it will give you boost, and your premium will not even go to 15 points. ऑपरेटर का गेम वही चलेगा. That's why if you actually look at since morning, see, I think if you paid group members know that I gave you a put option somewhere here itself in the morning itself. But we exited early. That's a different case. But I gave you this put option somewhere here because I saw huge call writing happening on the top. So, but इतना expect नहीं किया maybe. I did not expect so much fall, but yeah, कभी कभी होता. Right. Please do like and subscribe. पता नहीं कुछ देगा या नहीं. But this is only study kind of. Don't take any trade, guys. I am only giving it. Don't take trade today. आज तो छोड़ दो. हीरो जीरो वाला रिस्की वाला ले सकते हैं, but others avoid. रिस्की वाला ले सकते हैं. It's going to be huge stop loss. Some 90-100 points of stop loss. Nifty. If this is giving you a breakout, you can take a call. Go with the target of 144 points, and that this is a risky trade. This is going to be risky trade, guys, because आज तो पूरा खाने के लिए आएगा. So market is full on hungry today. It's eating out everyone's SL. SL को पूरा खा जाएगा. उसके बाद it's like it's like peace before storm, calmness before storm. My goodness. Look at this candle. You know what this is, right? Even then the market does not respect that. All the bulls have come in here, but still bears aren't losing the hope. Lot of bulls and bears. And moreover, there is expected to be a recession coming, guys. There expected to be a recession. That's a very big news. Very, very big news. I'm telling you. Very big news it is going to be. I don't think even this will work out today. So probably short side banega again, I guess. इधर भी risky होगा, but still. छोटा trade. It's about 75 points of. But that's also risky, guys. Whoever wants to take some risky. I mean, this is end of the day, almost 1 hour baki hai, but this can be anything for you. All expectations are going wrong these days for every stock normally. ये भी इंडिगो कहाँ है अभी थोड़ा नीचे आ गया देन डॉक्टर रेड्डीज डॉक्टर रेड्डीज फेल नाउ इट्स एक्चुअली एट द सपोर्ट शायद ओके 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 that should be fine I would say if someone wants Dr. Reddy's can be taken guys for swing buy okay swing buy from here it was actually rejecting okay what you can do is okay if you want to buy wait for the retest here take a swing buy below this we can take a short swing okay in Dr. Reddy 698 running towards day's low today's day is only for buyers only option buyers option sellers I don't think they've made any profits today today is only for option buyers okay it's hitting the day's low almost done 75 points अभी तो स्टॉप लॉस तो यही बनेगा तो कल क्या होगा वो देख लेंगे भाई आज तो अभी तो सी देयर इज नो पॉइंट इन लुकिंग एट टुडेस ट्रेंड आई वुड से देयर इज नो पॉइंट इन लुकिंग एट today's trade completely There is no point because entire thing is fallen. So let's see how it is going to be from tomorrow. From tomorrow देखेंगे. Okay. So let's capture this. So the important support that is here, which was around 33,000, is broken. So the next support is going to be only at 32,200. My goodness, 32,200. That's the only support I see. That's the only support I see. 32,200. Okay. And on the longer perspective, this is going to be so where is this? Okay, trending support pattern here. Okay, look at this, guys. Tomorrow if it opens a gap up, where is this? I'll tell you, 1 second. Tomorrow it opens a gap up, then it will have the resistance at today's high. Okay. Look at this. So if it opens a gap up tomorrow, okay, we can easily target for, if it opens a gap up, I'm telling again, if it opens a gap up tomorrow, then we can easily target for at least 33,200 के लिए target रख सकते हैं हम. ठीक है? That's going to be our take tomorrow for if it opens a gap up. In case if it opens a gap down, for example, if it opens a gap down, what can we do? Okay. There is no support nearby, man. If it opens a gap down, there might be a small hurdle around 30,300, but that is a very minor support, I would say. This is a very minor support. Very minor support. Because, see, when you see something like this, and the support is broken, right? And the support is broken here, and you would at least expect this particular zone to be a minor support only. It's not a major support. So kahan banega major support? Major support, if you ask me, ये भी नहीं होगा, ये भी नहीं होगा, ये भी नहीं होगा. That 20,000 is the major support, man. On a longer term, I'm not talking about tomorrow. Sorry, I'm only talking about longer term duration. Okay, look at this. So if 30,000 is broken, next fall can be up to, because you look at this, do you see any support here? Do you see any support here anywhere? I don't see any support there. So how many points of rally it is without a support and resistance? Without a support and resistance, it's a 3,900 points of rally. So when you see a rally like this, you don't find a support, then it is going to be a huge fall. It's going to be a huge fall if it breaks this zone. If it breaks this particular zone, it's going to be a huge and free fall. If you see something like this, if it breaks, remember this, guys, if it breaks this zone, and we are going to have complete free fall in Bank Nifty up to 20,000. Nifty में क्या कर रहे हैं? Nifty में Nifty might come up to 14,700. 14,700 is going to be next stop if it does not take a reversal tomorrow. Otherwise, it's going to be a huge fall, guys. A huge fall. Huge fall it is going to be. Complete. Okay, so that's going to be our view. Let's see. आज का लो ब्रेक हुआ भाई, ब्रेक हुआ. It's broken. Today's low was broken already. See this. This was the low 651. ये तो 644 तक आ गया, but still it is broken, right? Okay, please do like the stream. What waterfall? Let's see somewhere here. But I don't think it will go anywhere, man. I don't think it will go anywhere. The important crucial level 33,000 is broken, so I don't think it will go anywhere now. That was 33,000 was expected to be not broken, but that crucial level itself was broken. So if once that is broken, it's a bearish mode. Completely, finally bearish mode. $230. It's going to be 230 now. It isn't even breaking the trending line, man. Look at how strong the sellers are. I don't think even DIS. I think FIS have come in the morning itself. Early morning brush करके आएगा शायद. పొద్దున్నే బ్రష్ చేసుకొని లేచి కూర్చున్నట్టున్నారు FIS అంతా. సెల్ అనుకుంటా. All of them are in a sell mode. None of them are. Bharati Airtel can be sold. HAL can be sold. And Voltas can be sold. Lot of stocks, guys. If someone wants to sell any of them, I fine. Bharati Airtel can be sold. All of them are on a bearish mode now. All of them are on a bearish mode. Bharati Airtel. Voltas can be sold. Okay, and then Vedanta can be sold. Look at this. They have broken. All important levels are broken, man, today. All important levels are broken today. Everywhere. So, there are a lot of stocks on the bearish mode. Okay. Look at this. Where do you see something like this? Vedanta Limited. Look at this. How bearish it is now. Vedanta can be sold, guys, if someone wants to sell it. Okay. Uh, okay, premium group, paid group, guys. Check your WhatsApp. Hmm. Gone, gone. Even this low will be broken, shayad. पता नहीं man. Look at this. हो गया, वो भी हो गया भाई, वो भी हो गया. So every time it is breaking its low. Every time it is breaking its low. It's a huge fall, man. It's a huge fall. Done, man. This is gone. 30 to 5, 600, 30 to 600, man. My goodness, what a fall it is. Or गिर भाई, my goodness, what is this? 32,600. What do you think of the market, guys? Now, what do you think of the market? Tell me. What do you think? I will not even ask कल gap down होगा gap up होगा, कुछ भी नहीं बता सकते. It has broken all the levels possible. All the levels possible. All the levels completely broken. Do you see a wick somewhere, man? Do you see a wick? Where do I don't see. I think a very small wick here. Somewhere here. Small wick. वो भी fill हो जाएगा शायद. My goodness. It's a full red candle. Complete red candle. And look at the gap between, guys. So much gap. How many points of gap? ये check कर लेंगे. How many points of gap it is? 317 points of gap in Nifty alone. Nifty alone. Bank Nifty में check कर लेंगे. How many points of gap? Let's see. We have a gap of somewhere around 600 points of gap. And today we had a fall of 1000 points almost. Right? 1000 points and 600, 1600 points from the previous gap 1600 points. You think it's very, very small? My goodness, 30 to 192 tak. It's still falling. It is still falling, man. कल मार्केट गैप अप हो गया तो छोड़ दो भाई, छोड़ दो, अभी तो कुछ नहीं करेंगे भाई. तो ऑल सपोर्ट लेवल्स आर ब्रोकन, सो आई एम कंसर्न्ड मैन. मैं तो मुझे तो अच्छा नहीं लग रहा कि कॉल लेने का. आई एम नॉट लुकिंग गुड. दिस इज नॉट लुकिंग गुड एटलीस्ट. Look at this. Exactly from there, it has opened a gap up, but since then it is completely falling. पता नहीं, कल भी गैप डाउन खुलेगा शायद बोल के सोच रहा हूँ मैं. कल भी गैप डाउन खुलेगा शायद. What a fall, man. What a fall. $33,000 put वालों भी completely unwound their positions, man. Completely. How many points here again? 500 points. My goodness. Not in recent days. Not completely in recent days at all. Recent days, did we have some 500 points of rally any time? 500 points of rally somewhere. It was like 300 points. Okay, here. Yeah, somewhere around close to 500 points. but it has fallen by so many points, but never grew by 500 points. Here we had about 600 points. I think it was on 24th January. Yeah, that is the only when we had such a huge fall. But after that, there was such never a huge fall than this. Here, almost 500 again. Yeah. और कितना गिरेगा भाई? Still hitting the day's low, man. Still breaking its day's low. All the time it is. All the supports are broken. The next support is only at 30 to 500. 30 to 500. We still have another half an hour. 30 more minutes. We still have 30 more minutes. Still have 30 more minutes, guys. And अभी तक not even one short covering आया भाई. Not even once. Not even once. Not even one short covering आया. So, don't expect now. ये तो हो गया. आज तो हो गया भाई. Hmm. 30 to 600 last half an hour. पता नहीं कहाँ रुकेगा. I think DIs aren't able to support now. They aren't able to support much because the entire stock sector is falling and they don't have anything to buy. It has to break at least 33,000 for us to be bullish tomorrow. Otherwise, I don't think it is going to be bullish. Now I think option sellers are trying to cover their positions, basically trying to book profits. They are trying to book profits, so थोड़ा ऊपर जा रहा, but it is not going to give us anything much. Chalo, finally closing around 32,600. 32,600 के आसपास somewhere. Vedanta Limited, look at this, guys. Already breaking that head and shoulder pattern. If someone wanted, they can take it actually. Vedanta Limited. Last 20 minutes to close the trade. और नीचे गिरेगा क्या? इतना गिर रहा भाई. How much fall? Let's see this. I think it will form a head and shoulder pattern now. शायद. If it forms a head and shoulder pattern और नीचे गिरेगा. Remember. Vedanta Limited giving you, okay, premium group guys, Vedanta Limited, please start trailing your profits. Trailing your profits. Trail तो कर लो भाई. कल के लिए don't hold anything guys. Don't hold anything. पता नहीं क्या होगा कल. कितना गिरा भाई. 32,588, somewhere around 1,200 points, right? Yeah. 1,100 points, 1,150 points in Bank Nifty. There was no retracement, proper retracement at all, anywhere. You know, sometimes you might see something like this and coming down or something like this, but no, ये तो सीधा गिरा देखो. So it wasn't giving us any opportunity to, you know, basically to exit or And check Scandent, guys. Scandent, I am updating it again. 13%, 13%. Even when the market was falling, it is giving us 13% of returns. Scandent. Look at this. I will update it on the Telegram, guys. Check it. Then और गिर रहा भाई, और गिर. Come on, there is no. बहुत प्यार से गिरा है मार्केट. समीर भाई क्या कर रहे हो? Complete. मैं तो see, I have we have taken a put position somewhere here and closed our positions here itself. After that, we have not taken any trade here. ये तो छोड़ दिया. We have not taken any trade. खाली बैठा हूँ मैं देख. So we are not doing any trade there. Free fall. नहीं नहीं, ये तो costly fall है भाई. Free क्यों बोल रहा है? Lot of people must have lost lot of money there. नहीं नहीं नहीं, I was actually pulling the leg, but yes, it's a complete free fall. Complete free fall it was. मुझे तो निफ्टी बैंक निफ्टी में I don't see a support at all nearby. There is no proper support at all. You know, actually speaking, there is a minor support. I'm talking about minor support at 15,000 in Nifty. Minor support. Check कर लो. Minor support is around 15,000 in Nifty. That's also a minor support. Major support, I don't see it anywhere nearby. Completely gone. Let's see. नेक्स्ट वीक एक्सपायरी के लिए चेक कर लेंगे भाई, कुछ है क्या. No man, there is no support at all. Sorry, Nifty में there is no support. Bank Nifty is even worse. There is a support at 30 to 600, but ये तो break हुआ भाई. 30 to 600 is broken already completely. Look at this, almost 600, but yeah, this is completely broken like. So the next support is only at 32,000, but that is also minor support. 32,000 के आसपास there is a support, but that is a minor support. This is a very minor support. पता नहीं कहाँ तक गिरेगा वो, पता नहीं मुझे. और गिर रहा भाई. What is this? What people are trying to do? नहीं. No, there's no way, man. Let's see tomorrow, guys. Let's see tomorrow. Okay. What Vaidik Patil kal gap up or gap down ki hoga. Don't spam. Whoever we can expect market around 14,500 till July. Yeah, हो सकता है भाई. गिरने तो अच्छा है. Stocks almost half मिल जाए. वो तो है. Right. We get it. We get stocks at a good price. You can take Nifty Bs. Some stocks like Bajaj Finance and HDFC Bank, bhai. HDFC Bank, you can take it at this time. That's a good one. Vaidik Patel, spam mat karo, bhai. Spam to chhod. Don't spam. Don't spam. Okay. Chalo, see you tomorrow, guys. I don't think anything is happening now. Completely gone. गिरने तो अच्छा है stocks almost, yeah scanned and I will see, guys. I mean, every time you don't get these kind of stocks. Daily नहीं मिलेगा scanned and के जैसे stocks नहीं मिलेगा, छोटा stocks. So I don't know if someone has taken this RIL wala. Arcom wala. It was a chota stock. Look at this. If you guys remember, I don't know if you guys have taken. I gave it when it was around 1.9, somewhere around this one. I forgot when it was, but I gave it when it was around 1.9 rupees. 1.9 rupees. Checkerlo, it went up to 5 rupees. It was a triple. So if someone has taken, I have taken around 10,000 quantity in here. 10K का quantity है मेरा इसमें. So I gave it when it was around 1.9, something like that. I forgot at what time. So very seldom, not every day you get these kind of stocks. Very few times you get some stocks like this. But not every stock is good. Not every stock is good. Last 3 minutes to close the session. Okay, please do like and subscribe, guys. I know, I mean, people are coming and going. Last few minutes. Please do like and subscribe. So let's see. I think it will only close around this 30 to 600 ke aspas. Almost at the day's low, man. It is closing at the day's low. What a rally on the downside. Complete fall. Last 2 minutes. Dr. DB. It is actually giving us violent moves, man, somehow. 76.94, dekho. Huge movements. Last minute. Last one more minute. Hope पता नहीं कहाँ close करेगा. Last 1 second. Done. Closed. Closed, guys. Markets are closed. So 571 is where Nifty, Bank Nifty closed. 571. So, okay. So So pata nahi. I don't think there will be any good news tomorrow as well. Okay. So let's see tomorrow if something happens. Let's see what happens. Okay. So thank you so much for joining, guys. You have a great day ahead. Okay.